Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to set up a grid in Illustrator. First, open Illustrator and either start a new document or open one you are already working on. Then, head up to the View menu at the top. From there, simply select Show Grid to instantly display the default grid on your artboard. This initial step is super quick and gets us ready for more customization. Now, let's dive into customizing your grid. To do this, go to Edit, then Preferences, and finally Guides and Grid on Windows. If you are on a Mac, you will find this under Illustrator, then Settings, and Guides and Grid. This panel is where all the magic happens for tailoring your grid exactly how you need it. It is a crucial step for precise design work. Within the Guides and Grid preferences, you can set the grid line every value. For instance, you might set it to 100 points for major grid lines. Next, adjust subdivisions to divide each major square into smaller segments, perhaps 10 subdivisions for fine detail. You can also pick a grid color that stands out against your artwork, ensuring excellent visibility while you work. With your custom grid set up, you can now use it to align objects perfectly and maintain consistent spacing throughout your design. To avoid accidentally moving the grid while working, it is a good idea to lock it. Just go to View and select Lock Grid. If you need to temporarily hide the grid, simply press Command or Control+apostrophe. This makes your workflow much smoother.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.